Hello, Jason here from septictank.co.uk. Many people asking me what the septic tank soakaway crates look like in the flesh. Well, here's one of the beauties. They're about 400mm in height. They're very light, they're very strong, they're very robust. They've got about a 20-ton bearing load capacity. So this is why septic tank soakaway crates are quickly becoming the most popular septic tank soakaway product in the UK market today. They take literally about an hour or 40 minutes to install. Typically you'd use 4 of these for a 1 to 2 bedroom property. All that you do then, you use the membrane that's supplied free with the crates, wrap it around it and cover it with soil. Job done. It really is as simple as that. Many people think that septic tank soakaway crates are illegal, but what it is, you can't use rainwater crates with a septic tank soakaway. Can't use rainwater crates. So these septic tank crates, soakaway crates, are fully approved by UK Building Regs and the UK government. So if you're looking for the future of septic tank soakaways, well, here it is, the septic tank soakaway crate.